Hello, District 7 families. This is a quick tutorial for parents and students in the Spartanburg 7 Virtual Middle School with some tips for logging on to ClassLink, which is our single sign-on, Apex, Schoology, and Office 365. So first, let's talk about ClassLink. ClassLink is a software program that runs on the web that allows your student to sign in to several District 7 programs. To access ClassLink, please go to the Spartanburg 7 homepage and click on the ClassLink button on the menu. When you get to ClassLink, the student will sign in with their username, which is the first part of their email address before the @ symbol, and their password, which is the same password that they use to sign on to the computer. They would click sign in, and they'll see all of the available apps or programs to them. The first program we'll focus on is Apex Learning, which is their virtual curriculum. And you can see there what Apex Learning looks like for the icon. The first time they sign into Apex, they'll be asked to sign a student code of conduct. And you can see there's a link to read the student code of conduct. And once they accept, they can click submit. And upon logging into Apex, they will see all of the courses that are assigned to them this semester. The next application we want to take a look at is Schoology, and this is our learning management system where a student's teacher or the school will post information about assignments. So again, going to the ClassLink launch page, you can see the Schoology icon there. And when a student accesses Schoology this way through the ClassLink program, they may be asked to install the ClassLink browser extension. We do ask that the student uses Chrome for this. This is Google Chrome for the web browser and not Safari. And it is fine, in fact it's recommended that the student install the ClassLink browser in Chrome by clicking on the Install Extension button. The student would then log into Schoology, and in this case they're going to use their District 7 email address and their District 7 email password. So the email address is their full email address, and the password is actually a different password than they use to log onto the computer. So your teacher or the school should have given you both of these logon pieces of information. Okay, and so the last software we want to take a look at is Office 365, which is Microsoft's online suite of programs that include Microsoft Word and Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, which is their email. So all of these are available to students online. Here is ClassLink once again. There is the Office 365 application. Again, if they had not installed the ClassLink browser extension, they may be asked to install it here, and that is fine to do. They would sign in to Office 365 with their District 7 email address and their District 7 email password. And once they have successfully signed in, they will be in Office 365 or Microsoft Online, and you can see all the applications along the left, and you've got recent files and documents that the student has worked on. So again, this was just a quick tutorial to get you started with signing in to the various programs that your student will be working with this year. If you have any questions, please contact your school technology support or their technology integration specialist. Thank you.